Hello everyone, Coach Bart at Action Coach with your business tip of the week. As we discussed last week, we want to continue talking about the ladder of loyalty. Last week we spoke about turning suspects, the people that you're marketing to, via prospects into shoppers, the people that are the occasional buyers. This week we want to continue building the loyalty of your customers by turning them from shoppers into customers, then into members, advocates, and ultimately into raving fans. Now, somebody that has bought from you once, you've captured all their relevant information, now you're really well positioned to continue to engage that particular shopper and work on their loyalty, work on the relationship, make sure that they can never ever forget about you, and that actually will encourage them to come back and buy a second time. Now if that happens, obviously their loyalty has increased quite a bit, and we now call them no longer shoppers, we actually call them real customers. Now this gives you a great opportunity to now actually start doing something special for your customers. You can actually give them a membership kit, or you can give them a VIP card, or any other type of things that you can think of to really enhance that person's loyalty. And you really want to make sure that there's absolutely no reason for them to ever go anywhere else. So once you've done that, you have turned that customer, the person that bought that second time, into a member, and they really are part of your family. They really, quote unquote, belong to your company. Now once people are members, you have so many opportunities to continue to work on that relationship, and by doing that, you actually have an opportunity to continue to blow them away with great customer care and have them really feel like you're always exceeding their expectations. And if that's the case, they will actually start talking about you, and they will talk about how great you are. And when that happens, we're actually talking about them as advocates of your company. Now obviously you can imagine their loyalty at that point in time, their loyalty towards you is quite a bit higher than when they were that occasional shopper. Now the challenge really starts because now you want to make sure that that advocate, the person that actually talks to you in a very positive, talks about you in a very positive way, that you turn that person into somebody that actually will engage other potential customers and does the selling for you. Now that's the ultimate in customer loyalty. That's what all of us should aspire to, is turning those suspects all the way to raving fans. Now the way to do that is obviously to continue to please them, or more than please them, blow them away with your great customer care. But the thing is, their expectations, because you're always meeting them, continue to go up. So it forces you to continue to improve the way you engage your advocates and customers. They always have to feel like you're going above and beyond. Now, we talked about, a couple of weeks ago, talked about marketing as communication and education. And we talked about the fact that marketing really starts way before the purchase is made. The first purchase is made, and it continues all the way to the selling process and way beyond the last sale, and it never really stops. You continue to market to the people even after they've done business with you once or more. Now, because of the importance of marketing and the way we communicate to our overall success as business, we talk about marketing very, very extensively in our various workshops and seminars. That includes our Streetwise Marketing Seminar, our Sales Made Simple seminar. We talk about it in our Marketing Rich programs. We talk about it in our Sales Rich programs. So we really encourage you to check that out on our website, actioncoach45.com. If you want to, you can actually look not only at the details, but it's also an opportunity for you to register for any of those events. Thanks for watching.